We purchased this semi-dwarf crepe myrtle tree 3 years ago. When we purchased it, it was flowering. It has not flowered since. We live in zone 10. The tree is in full sun and we have given it nitrogen, Epsom salt, and potassium. What do we need to do to have flowers? It hasn't had buds since we bought it. And this is Charlene from Millbrae, California.
From zone 10 in California.
Zone 10 in California, how about that? So what do you think about that? So it's not flowering,
I don't,
no buds or anything?
No buds. Now I've had them do that if maybe you've pruned them too severely early in the year, you know? And I know though they flower on new growth, but still if you do any pruning during the growing season, you know, you're gonna kind of delay that. But that's kind of a mystery, you know? And it's getting full sun, it's getting fertilizer.
It's getting fertilizer. The thing about the fertilizer, I have a question about those, the Epsom salt.
Magnesium.
It's magnesium, right? A little bit more phosphorus, possibly would help
for the flowering. Yeah, for the flowering, that's true.
Yeah.
Phosphorus is supposed to encourage the flowering.
That's right. So that's the question I have about is the Epsom salt, the use of the
So maybe they
Epsom
need
salt.
to do a soil test.
I would do a soil test.
And kind of see what the nutrient levels are, if the pH is right or what, but.
That's exactly what I would do. Mr. John, anything you want to add to that?
No, I was thinking the phosphorus.
Yeah, anytime I hear flowers, I think about phosphorus. And, you know, we talk about Epsom salt, which is magnesium.
Right.
So get that soil tested. Watch the pruning though. I mean, that is something you have to look out for, you know, as well. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.